Ох, ебать твою мать!
A warehouse near the commercial port in the Russian-occupied city of Berdyansk was struck by a Ukrainian Stormshadow long-range cruise missile with severe damage and several injuries being claimed near the site of explosion, which happened at least 70 miles behind the current front line. It's pretty comical how Russians are all onto themselves.
Ёханый бабай. На улице вот. Пошли покататься называется. Там вон еще на косу что-то прилетело. На косу что-то прилетело еще. Классно. Классно как вообще.
Ох, ебать твою мать!
Another angle of the attack.
Суки. Хуй того знает, блядь.
The Azov Kabul plant in Russian-occupied Berdyansk before and after it was hit by storm shadows. The Russian occupiers are urgently leaving the Berdyansk port, said the mayor of the city, Fedorov. After the explosion that occurred in the port, the enemy began to urgently remove the equipment and divert the ships with which they planned to export the stolen. The interesting thing about this attack on Berdyansk is that on Google Maps, you can see the large Russian naval transport ship sunk by Ukraine in March 2022. Several other ships were also damaged. Russian had them all together in the port. Training finished. Ready for liberation. Russian propagandist Martin warns his audience that war will last for a long time. He prepares them for more bad news from fighting within Russia.
Вот такая вот история. Она не закончится ни сегодня, ни завтра. Скорее всего, и завтра эта тема будет в эфире. Скорее всего, и послезавтра эта тема будет в эфире. Они завтра, к сожалению, будут обстреливать нашу Белгородскую область. Любой обыватель, читая новость про то, что террористы пытались прорваться на территорию России при поддержке танков, он задает вопрос: это что ж за террористы такие на танках, извините меня? А почему террористов на танках не расстреляли с воздуха неуправляемыми ракетами или не сбросили на них планирующую бомбу полутонную, чтобы от этих танков не осталось ничего, кроме воронки дымящейся? Вот и все. Поэтому, да, к сожалению, тема продолжится и завтра. Так же, как война продолжится и завтра. Она надолго. Она не закончится через месяц, через полгода. Никто этих иллюзий не строит. Но это точно не станет никакой нормальностью. Война не может превратиться в нормальность. Война не может превратиться в нечто там, находящееся на заднем фоне, там, на дальних границах. Нет, не получится. Все уже привыкли к тому, что она с нами вот здесь, родная.
Italian supplied M109L howitzers on their way to Ukraine. A A Russian T-90M tank was destroyed by artillery fire of the Ukrainian 45th Artillery Brigade somewhere in Luhansk Oblast. Lviv IT specialists have developed a turret that is controlled via Wi-Fi.
Ну так. Короче, пацаны стреляют с турели, а управляют її з Steam Deck. Да, Федорович? Конечно. Може так GTA, потім Need for Speed і... Вогонь. Чуть так стрався. Спокійно.
Little Fox on Ukrainian battlefield. The Russian authorities reportedly believe that Tuesday's drone attack on Moscow was launched from within Russia. An operation to find vehicles carrying drones is said to have been launched across a wide area of western Russia. The VCHK OGPU Telegram channel reports that Moscow is confident that the drones that attacked the capital and several other regions were launched from Russian territory. As a result, from today, cars will be searched at checkpoints for UAVs. The Russian Ministry of Defense is said to have launched Operation Anaconda to search for UAV carriers on a permanent basis. VCK OGPU reports that teams of operatives, district police officers, and traffic police officers are now being set up to be deployed at key posts. Similar reinforcements have already been seen today in the north of the Moscow region. From tomorrow, officers will be deployed in the southern regions. Particular attention will be paid to foreign number plates and any UAVs in the cabin or the trunk. The officers will also be directed to thoroughly check the documents of drivers and passengers, with the data from the scene to be sent to the Interior Ministry's Center for Operational Information and Investigation.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.